Hey, it's Alan. I'll just give you a couple of tips for renovations underneath the house. So you want to check for straightness. Look for the posts that aren't leaning. Look along the beam. This looks pretty good. Look for those stumps. Got any cracking? So you got if they crack, they expose the steel work inside them, and then the steel work rusts, and then it blows out. They need changing. Not an expensive exercise to change them, but they would if you're going to change those little short ones at the back there, because they're very hard to get to. By the way, these homes here are great to put new toilets and bathrooms in because it's accessible. You can put all the plumbing underneath, whereas the slab on ground is more challenging. The other thing is have a look at the pipe work, the plumbing. See, this one here's got a galvanised pipe there, and they'll be all generally built in the 60s and 50s. All that galvanised will be all blocked up. You can check it by opening a couple of taps at a time, see what sort of pressure you got. The electrical stuff, this slopes up, so the house, the back of the yard is up there. It's the road at the front there. The water will run from there to the road, but make sure there's no big streams running through here. And then the other thing is termites. Those walls at the back there, that's where a good place for termites to crawl up those walls. And on these posts, but we've got ant capping, like a tin barrier that allows you to see the termites are crawling up around it. And some of these battens, sometimes they touch, the timber touches the floor, and you get the termites crawling up inside in that gap there, or inside the timber. This is touching, they'll work their way up. Look for all that stuff. Termites, these are all timber houses. There's 4 or 5 different types of termites. There's 1 or 2 of them that would eat that hard stuff. That's what I look for underneath the house. Give you a few ideas.